Let's say, welcome to the brand new screen printing machine developed by ROQ. The ROQ E. And the E stands for electric. That means that we basically need just power to run this press that is available on 8 stations until 6 colors or 10 stations until 8 colors. It's a similar size of a ROQ U, but the main difference is it doesn't require air connections. And why is that? Because after many testing, we decide that instead having a full electric solution in order to achieve the perfection required for a ROQ press on the print and stroke precision, air is part of the screen printing process. So why not having the machine generating its own air needs, but the customer and the printer doesn't need to have a compressor to fill it? So we just developed the ROQ E with a built-in compressor. The machine runs exactly like a regular U-press. However, there's a big difference here, is the central lifting system is full electric. The built-in compressor, after a certain number of cycles, turns on, but just for a few seconds. I'll show you how it sounds like. This is the sound of the built-in compressor after a few cycles. So it's just a few seconds, and the machine is ready to keep going. The ROQ E is already equipped with a new HMI from BR, similar as the one used on the ROQ Fit and on the ROQ Next. All the functions available in this control panel are similar on both presses. But there's a new improvement we are implementing on this press that will be available on the other ones later. So I'm talking about this simple device to easily lift the printhead for printhead access to clean, to put a flash gear in, or just remove the screen. Both versions of the ROQ E are also served with a fit pallet arm. What about maintenance? According with the ROQ team, we basically need to take care of lubricating the drive system, lubricating the printhead as a regular U-press or Next press. There's something additional, is the need of periodic purges of the built-in compressor, and maybe once a year replace the filters from the compressor. So say hello to the brand new ROQ E, the perfect solution for those that don't have capacity or means to have an in-house compressor in their own shop, but it's a price that still runs 800 pieces an hour.